Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making White Castle casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my large multi-pan, and I have roughly about 2.5 pounds of ground beef I'm browning up. And as you can see, this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain that excess grease off once it's brown. So I'm going to go ahead and finish breaking this up and browning it up. Okay, now that my ground beef is brown, I drained off the excess grease. I have my burner set down on low. I'm going to add in 2 packs of onion soup mix. And guys, this is a knockoff of a White Castle cheeseburger. It's not going to be exact, but it'll be good. I'm going to stir my onion soup mix. You just want to blend it around good in your ground beef, and that's smelling really good, guys. I'm going to turn off my heat, and I'm just going to let this sit here on this hot burner while we move on to the next step. That'll help soften up those dehydrated onions in there. Alright, now I have a 9x13 baking pan here. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of canola spray. And I have a can of crescent rolls, the refrigerated ones like you get in a refrigerated section of your grocery store. I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom of my pan with the crescent rolls. And what you want to do is you want to squeeze your seams together. You just want to go ahead and you can stretch these out. Alright, now I'm putting the cheese on the bottom here. The reason for that is because if you want to add condiments to it, ketchup, mustard, jalapenos, whatever, it'll be easier for you to pull the top crust off because we're putting a crust on top. If you put the cheese on top, it's going to act like glue and that ain't going to work so well. So I'm taking some sliced American cheese here. I'm going to use 6 slices. You can use any kind of cheese you like. If you want like a jalapeno cheddar or something like that, you go ahead and go for it. Any type that you like. Right, now I'm going to take my ground beef mixture. Dump this in quick because these handles are hot. Smooth that out. And I'm going to take my other tube of rolls. Now this one's going to be a little more difficult to work with because we're putting on top of that ground beef. But we'll get it in there the best we can. So let me lay that there. And the top doesn't have to be perfect because the filling on the bottom would spill out if it wasn't seamed together. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes until those crescent rolls are baked through and brown, golden brown, and the bottom will be golden brown as well. Alright, this just came out of the oven. I left it go for 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and serve up a plate and see what we got. I garnish that with a little bit of chives just for some extra color. Now you could take the top off of here and put any kind of condiments in there you want, ketchup, mustard, pickles, jalapenos, whatever. I'm just going to eat it plain like this. See that cheese there spreading out. I'm going to give this a try. It's really good. With the onion soup mix and with the burger, or with the ground beef, and then you get that buttery from the crescent roll, it tastes like a White Castle cheeseburger because they're pretty much just a beef patty and onion. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. And like I said, you can dress it up any way you like. Alright, there you have it. White Castle casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.